The 2024 Mustang GT drives great, but there's a way to make it drive even better and a very budget-friendly way to do so, and that's going to involve these bad boys right here. These are the Eibach Sportline lowering springs for the 2024 Mustang GT. And before you click off the video because you heard the word lowering springs, give me a couple minutes to explain to you why these are going to be more beneficial for your S650 than other suspension options out there. So what does a lowering spring do? Well, it's pretty simple. It's a lot shorter than the OEM spring, and it's going to lower your car, aka the whole name of the product. Now, for example, I have a OEM spring here on the floor and the Eibach lowering spring on the floor, and as you can see, the Eibach lowering spring is a lot shorter than the OEM spring. The Eibach Sportline lowering kit is going to allow you to be able to lower your S650 up to almost 2 inches in the front and the rear, which is a pretty big change. And if you don't believe me, look at our premium here, which is on stock suspension, versus our base model over here, which is on the Eibach lowering spring kit. And as you can see, our base model is looking a whole lot better than our premium. Now, besides your S650 looking a whole lot better from your lowering spring kit, you're also going to get some performance gains out of it too. Now, when you lower your car, it's going to increase the handling, and that's because you now have a lower center of gravity. That lower center of gravity is going to help reducing squat on acceleration, minimizing the nose diving down when hard braking, and of course, you're going to have less body roll. Another large benefit to running lowering springs is being able to keep your factory features. If your car has MagneRide, then why get rid of it? So basically, it's an adaptive suspension system that will change depending on what road you're on, what bumps it's hitting, or even your speed. So if you end up going to a coilover or an air ride platform, you're gonna get rid of that feature. If you stay with the lowering spring, then you get to keep that feature. And luckily for us, Eibach makes a lowering spring kit for either MagneRide or without MagneRide. So if you're looking for a better stance or more performance gains out of your S650, head over to cjponyparts.com and pick up these Eibach lowering spring kits for yours today. Now, if you want to know how to install them, we will link a video down below in the description, but it's time to drop a gear and disappear, and we'll catch you in the next one.